Can Sony Bravia AirPlay? Sony Bravia TVs support Apple AirPlay on compatible models, allowing users to wirelessly stream videos, music, and photos from Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, and Macs. This feature provides seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, making it easy to mirror screens and share content without additional cables or devices. 1. Checking AirPlay compatibility on Sony Bravia. Not all Sony Bravia TVs support AirPlay. Only models with Android TV or Google TV released after 2019 have built-in AirPlay 2 functionality. To check compatibility, go to your TV settings menu and look for the Apple AirPlay and HomeKit option under the network or device settings. 2. Enabling AirPlay on Sony Bravia. Before using AirPlay, it must be enabled on the TV. Navigate to Settings, then Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, and turn on AirPlay. Ensure that your Sony Bravia TV and Apple device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for a successful connection. 3. How to use AirPlay on Sony Bravia. Step 1. Open the control center on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Tap Screen Mirroring and select your Sony Bravia TV from the list. Step 3. If prompted, enter the AirPlay code displayed on the TV. Step 4. Your Apple device's screen will now mirror on the Sony Bravia TV. 4. Alternative ways to cast Apple devices to Sony Bravia. If your Sony Bravia TV does not support AirPlay, you can use other methods like Chromecast, HDMI adapters, or third-party apps to mirror your Apple device's screen. Additionally, streaming apps like YouTube and Netflix have built-in casting options that work on non-AirPlay supported models. Sony Bravia TVs with Android TV or Google TV from 2019 and later support AirPlay 2, making it easy to stream content from Apple devices. Checking compatibility and following the correct setup steps ensures a smooth mirroring experience.